It's a pleasure and honor to be here. 20 years of Arya. That's what I was discussing. Even after 20 years, we are in top of the industry. Bani Garu, Devi Garu, Suku, me, everybody who worked in this movie. Still, we are doing some great films and we are in the leading because the passion. Thank you, Dil Raju Garu. Oh, here. Okay. Actually, Arya, we worked with so much of passion and love, and we enjoyed the process. Ippudu kuda was telling, Dil Raju was telling me, 5:15 o'clock you will say pack up, because I was shooting with film negative. Then after 5:15, daily we'll start some 1 or 2 montage shots of Feel My Love. Afterwards, from 5:45 to 6, cricket. Dil Raju Garu went to this, but he also used to play cricket with us. We thoroughly enjoyed the process. Thank you so much. Thank you.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ రత్నవేల్ గారు. ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ ఫ్రేమ్ మాకు అలాగా గుర్తుండిపోయేలా చేసినందుకు థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ ఫర్ యువర్ కాంట్రిబ్యూషన్ టువర్డ్స్ ఆర్యా ద మెమరబుల్